Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. So I'll try to keep this video quick and short. So the agenda is that I'm going to showcase how the headless mode works with the LWC quick action, right? So as you can see on the screen that I have one quick action called as LWC headless. So as soon as I click on this, then the LWC UI should not be rendered, right? So as you can see here, I already have one save action, which is nothing but the Lightning Web component, right? But if I want to have the same Lightning Web component on this AWS headless, then this will open one UI. It will open one UI in the pop-up with all the components that I'm going to add in the HTML file, right? So we don't want that. Sometimes we just have to execute the action and just show the success message. That's it. So this is what we are going to see how it can be executed. So there are three important factors. So here you can see that I have already created one Lightning Web component here. So I'll go to the meta.xml file. So the very important thing is that here the target has to be Lightning record action that is there, but also along with that the target here in the target configs the action type has to be only action, right? So if you want to show the Lightning, the LWC UI as soon as you click on the Lightning quick action, then as a normal way you just use the action type as screen action. But in this uh, here for the headless property, the meta.xml should have the action type as action. Okay, so this is one important factor. Second is that if you go to the HTML file, so this has to be blank. As you can see here, there's only template tag. That's it. It doesn't have any other components. So that's what you will have to do so that it won't render anything else. And then in the JS file, we have to use the invoke method with the API decorator. So basically, whatever code you want to execute, as soon as you want the Lightning, the LWC quick action, once it is clicked, then after that click, whatever code you want to execute, that you can call within this invoke action, because this gets called as soon as you click on the LWC quick action, right? So here, as I've already explained that my use case is, so basically I want to update this introduction field based on the process ID. Like if the process ID is 11, the introduction will show that test process ID 11. If it is 22, then test process ID 22, and so on. Right? It's a very simple use case I'm trying to explain here. So yeah, if I want to do that, yeah. So in the invoke method, I'm going to call the Apex class, suppose, right? So here I'm importing the get details method of the Apex class. So this is the Apex class, and then it's the specific method. This is my Apex class, and I have this method, and I'm using the uh, you know, uh, upsert operation to update the quote list with the introduction field, right? So I'm going to do that, and here in the JS file, in the invoke method, I am calling this get details method, passing the record ID and the process ID, and then doing the implementation and calling the upsert operation. So this can be done in multiple other ways as well. Without Apex action as well, we can update the object field. There are multiple ways to do the same. But yeah, so basically right now I'm just showcasing you how we can use the headless property. And I'll again explain the three important factors. One is the HTML file, which has to be blank. Only template has to be there, template tag. Then the meta.xml file where action tag has to be action, right? And then the JS file where invoke method has to be called. That's it. Yeah. So let's see how it works. So here I am. This is the LWC headless quick action. Let me also show you that code. So this is my object here. I go to the actions. So this is test. Sorry, it's LWC headless is the action. I'm opening that. Yeah, and you can see it is attached to the Lightning Web component as test headless. So this is the Lightning Web component I created and deployed. And let's see it quickly now. So I'm here. I'm updating it to 22. Process ID is 22. Save it. Yeah, and now the introduction should change to test process ID 22. I'll click on LWC headless. It got changed, and I can see the success message as well. Yeah. So this way we have seen how the LWC quick action can be used as a in the headless mode as well. Hope you like this video, and if you want to see the entire implementation of this project, let me know in the comment section so that I can create another video to showcase you how the entire project has been implemented. Yeah, thank you.